Deleting unused themes from your WordPress website will save space on your server and speed up your website load time. Having unused themes installed on your site will increase the security risk to your site and may even be a sign of a malware infection. The person responsible for your website management and SEO usually does this action. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and this SOP will help you to delete a theme from your WordPress website. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first action on our procedure is to go into our WordPress dashboard. So all you have to do is write your domain name /wp-admin and you will be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. As soon as we land on our WordPress dashboard, we have to look for appearance on our left sidebar, and from there we have to choose the themes option. As you can see, I have Astra as a theme activated on my WordPress website, but I have 3 default themes that I don't really need, and it's taking up a lot of space on my website as well. So let's go ahead and delete these 3 themes. The first thing that I will do is go to theme details from right here. And as you can see in the right hand side bottom, I can see there is a delete option. So let's click on that. Okay. And that's it. We're done. So let's quickly go ahead and delete the other 2 unused themes as well. Theme details, delete option from the bottom right hand side, and we click OK. And we repeat these steps. And there you go. We're done. We just have our Astra theme activated on our WordPress website and we're done. Hey guys, hope that video was helpful to you. And now that you have learned how you can delete a theme from your website, in our next video, we're going to learn how we can delete a plugin from our WordPress website. If you have any recommendations, any other videos that you would like us to make, you can give those recommendations in the comment box down below. This is Jaswin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.